Tests are extremely important in the entire process of learning. So we conduct weekly tests for all the students, especially of 11th and 12th standard, because it's a building block in making their entire course ready for them. Apart from weekly tests, what we do is we have periodic tests and pre-boards. So there are 2 pre-boards which we conduct for all the boards. Apart from this, what we have is we have some extra papers which we ask our students to come and sit and give it in the class in the exam environment. That really helps them to be confident when they actually approach the exams. And very important part of the entire test process is giving the feedbacks. We have a strict TAT of 4 days, which we endeavor to maintain. And within 4 days, we have to give feedbacks. It should not happen that students are writing tests and there are no feedbacks on them. The periodic tests which I spoke about and the 20 extra papers which I spoke about, we give them individual feedback. That is where we are trying to take them from 90 to 100.